Hi Jonathan, how's it going?
Hi Sam, how are you?
Not too bad, thank you. How's Euromold going this year?
Euromold's always exciting, exciting. Yeah, we got the lovely booth here today.
Yeah, it looks great.
A lot of models, a lot of solutions that we are offering, and I think that's what's key with Objet. You can do so much with just one given machine.
Yep.
Very excited about this model here. It's it's an entire dashboard that was printed using Objet's new ABS-like material.
This looks fantastic.
Yeah, it's amazing. So you think about it, someone drew this in a CAD environment, planned it all out, obviously fitting the exact dimensions of a car, and then printed it out. Obviously, we don't have machines that can print these bigger parts, so this actual dashboard was cut into 19 pieces and then glued together. And you can see it's all, you know, it's been painted, of course, here. It's almost seamless. You can see some steps here, but don't forget it's a prototype. Finish is great. It's thanks to the quality of the print. And here you actually have fitted parts. So this is ABS, real ABS that's been fitted onto the...
all the moving joints working.
Right. This is obviously a function of accuracy and tolerance, good tolerance.
Yeah.
So you're able to do these sort of things, the buttons. This is the actual dashboard. It's digital, and watch this. This is very cool. Whoa.
Wow. Nice one.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's fantastic.
So that's a very nice part. This is obviously the finished part.
This is the original material, and this is the part that's all been coated.
Right. That's the original material.
How difficult is it to coat something like this?
It's actually quite easy to coat something like this because the materials are acrylic based, so any sort of acrylic paints can do the job. So the challenge is actually printing this bigger part and gluing it all together. It's a bit of a Lego building. What's the advantage with Objet is that our tolerance is great. So what you design is what's printed. So at the end of the day, it all stitches up together.
Yeah.
That's not trivial.
Fantastic. Show us something else that you like on the stand this year.
Something else. Apparently, this is an airbox for an engine component, and this is actually a working part.
Wow.
So combustion took place with this actual part at tremendous heats. This material is...
this is the new ABS material.
This is the new ABS material, correct. So that's an exciting part because it's a fully functional part. We got a skateboard here.
Ah, yeah, the famous skateboard.
Famous skateboard. We started it last year.
Come on, give us a go.
I'll crash. I won't. So that's a nice part. We've got a very interesting part here actually for injection molding for short series production. So these molds are obviously printed with the new ABS-like material, and because of its high HDT and good toughness, you can actually inject parts. We've done some experiments with this, and 30 to 50 molds can be, end parts can be injected into these molds. This is a very exciting.
This is an incredibly big market for this.
It is. This is going to be big.
Yep.
This is going to be big.
Anything else?
Anything else? The drills. It's a nice part. I always like this part because it shows really so many solutions in one given part. First of all, concept modeling, visual appreciation. Okay, this is obviously half of this model is printed by Objet, and the other half is the end product.
Yep.
So you can first of all have a visual understanding of the product at hand. The fact that the material is translucent allows you to see all the mechanical and all the electrical components.
And this is a fully functioning part.
It's a fully functioning. It's moving. So that's another thing to it. It's functional, and also everything that has to do with ergonomics. So you always want to make sure that the product is sitting in your hand well, correctly, it's comfortable, and this is key. So you see here there's a lot of thought around the ergonomics, and this is thanks to Objet. Also the fact that we have rubber-like material allows for that rubber sort of effect to it.
The proper feel of the grip.
Yeah, so this is a great, it's always one of my favorites, always.
Fantastic. Jonathan, thanks for your time.
Thank you,
have a great Euromold.
You guys have fun. Bye-bye.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Cheers.